Today we will discuss alcoholic liver disease, an important and commonly asked topic in MBBS examinations. This lecture will cover causes, disease mechanisms, clinical features, investigations, detailed treatment, and a complete clinical case discussion. Introduction. Alcoholic liver disease is one of the most common causes of chronic liver disease. It develops due to prolonged excessive alcohol consumption. Although entirely preventable, continued alcohol intake leads to progressive and often irreversible liver damage. Definition. Alcoholic liver disease is defined as structural and functional damage to the liver caused by long-term alcohol intake. The injury develops gradually, progressing from fatty changes to inflammation and finally cirrhosis. Epidemiology. Alcoholic liver disease usually develops after many years of alcohol intake. Females are affected at lower doses. Malnutrition significantly increases risk, and ALD accounts for a large proportion of hospital admissions for liver disease. Risk factors. Not all alcohol users develop liver disease. Risk is influenced by the quantity and duration of alcohol intake, nutritional status, gender, genetic factors, and the presence of hepatitis B or C infection. Alcohol metabolism. Alcohol is metabolized mainly in the liver. Alcohol dehydrogenase converts ethanol into acetaldehyde, a toxic compound. Aldehyde dehydrogenase further metabolizes it. Chronic alcohol intake induces CYP2E1, increasing oxidative stress and liver injury. Pathogenesis. Acid aldehyde damages hepatocytes directly. Free radicals cause lipid peroxidation. Inflammatory cytokines activate stellate cells, leading to collagen deposition and fibrosis, which explains disease progression. Spectrum of ALD. Alcoholic liver disease exists as a spectrum. The earliest stage is fatty liver, followed by alcoholic hepatitis, and finally cirrhosis, which represents irreversible liver damage. Alcoholic fatty liver. Fatty liver occurs due to increased triglyceride accumulation in hepatocytes. Patients are usually asymptomatic, and this stage is completely reversible with alcohol abstinence. Alcoholic hepatitis. Alcoholic hepatitis is an acute inflammatory condition seen in chronic drinkers. It presents with jaundice, fever, liver tenderness, and may progress rapidly to liver failure. Alcoholic cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the final stage of alcoholic liver disease. Fibrosis and nodules distort liver architecture, leading to portal hypertension and liver failure. Clinical features. Clinical features depend on disease severity. Patients may present with fatigue, jaundice, ascites, edema, and muscle wasting due to chronic liver dysfunction. Laboratory findings. A typical biochemical feature is AST being higher than ALT, GGT is elevated. As disease worsens, bilirubin rises and clotting time becomes prolonged. Imaging and diagnosis. Ultrasound is the first imaging modality. CT or MRI helps identify complications. Liver biopsy is rarely required. Treatment. Management of alcoholic liver disease is holistic. The foundation is abstinence, supported by nutritional therapy and stage-specific treatment. Alcohol abstinence. Complete abstinence is the most effective intervention. Even in advanced disease, Abstinence significantly improves survival. Nutrition and vitamins. Most patients are malnourished. Nutritional rehabilitation with vitamin supplementation is essential, particularly thiamine to prevent Wernicke's encephalopathy. Alcoholic hepatitis drug treatment. Severe alcoholic hepatitis requires corticosteroids after assessing severity using Madray's discriminant function. Management of cirrhosis and complications. Treatment of cirrhosis focuses on managing complications such as ascites, variceal bleeding, and encephalopathy. Liver transplantation. Liver transplantation is indicated in selected patients with end-stage disease and sustained abstinence. Detailed clinical case. This patient presents with abdominal distension and jaundice with a long history of alcohol intake. Examination. Examination reveals signs of chronic liver disease including ascites and hepatomegaly. Investigations. Investigations confirm liver dysfunction and imaging suggests cirrhosis. Diagnosis and management. This patient has decompensated alcoholic cirrhosis requiring comprehensive management and transplant evaluation. Thank you for your attention. Alcoholic liver disease is a common yet preventable cause of chronic liver injury. A clear understanding of its pathogenesis, clinical features, investigations, and detailed management is essential for every MBBS student, both for examinations and future clinical practice. Early recognition and strict alcohol abstinence remain the cornerstone of improving patient outcomes. I hope this lecture helped strengthen your concepts and clinical reasoning. Thank you, and all the best for your studies.